Hey everyone, this is Janet with Yoga with Janet. And today I'm going to take you through an energizing morning flow to wake you up or whenever you need to just get things moving. So we're going to get started right away. Come into a child's pose. So bring your knees together or knees wide and just let the rib cage fall down onto the thighs. Reach your arms forward. And relax the forehead down. Just take a few deep breaths to begin. And as you begin to deepen breath, you're just tapping into that sense of rhythm, flow, and that pulsating feeling of life. And your breath is just waking you up to the present moment. And reach your arms further forward and feel your spine stretch. Widen your fingers. And become active in your arms. Take one more breath in. And gently come up onto all fours. Tabletop. Knees underneath the hips, shoulders on top of the wrists. And as you breathe in, lift the chest, lift the tailbone, look forward. And exhale, round. Tuck the tailbone, tuck your chin bone. Again, inhale, heart forward. And exhale, round. Give me one more. As you inhale, pull the heart forward through the gateway of the arms. And then exhale, round, dome the back and spread the shoulders. Tuck the toes. Lift your knees to hover for 3, for 2, and 1. Lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. And spread the fingers. Elongate the arms, elongate the hips away from your torso. And then inhale, lift onto your heels. Exhale, melt. So really tapping into the breath and movement. Inhale, lift. Exhale, melt. One more. Inhale, lift. And exhale, melt. And rise up onto your toes. And then start to ripple forward one vertebrae at a time. Take a big breath in. Exhale, bend the knees, belly to thighs. Lift the hips up and back. Ripple through the spine. Inhale, ripple forward. Move with the breath now. And exhale, bend knees. Press chest to thighs. Downward facing dog. 2 more. Inhale. Lift and roll. Back of the heart leads. Unravel. And exhale. Press back. Leading with the tailbone. Elongate the spine. Good. One more. For good measure. And exhale. Press back. This time, rise onto the toes and tiptoe to the top of the mat. I like to go nice and slow. Step between your hands. Inhale, lengthen halfway. And exhale, fold. But inhale, sweep the arms up. Press the palms. And exhale, dive forward over the legs. Inhale, lengthen, heart forward. Exhale, step your right foot back. Lower your knee, low lunge. Sweep the arms up. Take a big breath in. And exhale, cactus the arms and sink. Good. 2 more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, squeeze, cactus. Open the chest. Good. 1 more. Inhale. And exhale, squeeze. Good, release the hands, half split. Flex the toes to the face. And start to just feel, again, that pulse as you inhale, you lengthen. As you exhale, you fold. 2 more. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. 1 more. Inhale. And fold. And bend your left knee. Plant the hands. Good. Lift up the back knee. Step to plank. Take 1 breath in. And slowly lower all the way down. Legs are strong the whole time. Good. Point your toes. And then inhale, peel the chest, cobra. And forehead to the mat. 2 more. Inhale, lift. And exhale, fold. 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Press up to your knees. Tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in. And out. Good. Center your left foot. Lift your right leg up. And then draw your knee to your chest. Step between the hands. Lower the back knee. Sweep the arms up. Breath in. And squeeze. Elbows to hips. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, deepen. And so breathy. Inhale, lift. Good. Exhale, squeeze. Good. Release the hands. Half split. Same thing. Inhale, use the breath, lengthen the spine. Exhale, surrender. 2 more. Breath in. And out. Really feeling that pulse. 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Bend your knees. Step top of the mat. Relax the head. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Sweep the arms up. Press the palms. Reach through space. Good, and then dive forward all the way. Good. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, step your left foot back. Low lunge, fingertips. Inhale, bend deeply, heart forward. Good, and exhale, pyramid. Inhale, heart forward. Just want to go roar. And exhale, pyramid. Get those animal instincts. Inhale, lunge. And exhale, fold. Just take 2 breaths here. Inhale, lengthen spine. Exhale, fold. Again, with the pulse of the breath, you move. Bend your knee. And pick up the front foot. Step back to plank. Breathe in. Find the length to uncoil. And then slowly lower all the way down in one piece. This time, fingertips wide, elbows high. Inhale, striking cobra. Lift the chest. And exhale, fold. Just lean into the sensation. Inhale. Peel away. And fold. I'm really getting into it. Inhale, lift. And fold. Hands by the ribs. Tuck the toes. Lift the knees. Lift the belly. Press up. Good. And then downward facing dog. Breath in. And out. And inhale, lift your left leg. Draw your knee to your chest. Step between the hands. Fingertip lunge. Heart forward. Inhale. Exhale, pyramid. And inhale, heart forward. Spread collarbone. Exhale, fold into yourself. 1 more. Breathe in. Expand. And then exhale, feel that contraction pull towards the center. And just 2 breaths. Find the length. and the depth. And one, inhale. And exhale. Good. Bend your knee. Step forward. Release the head. And breathe in. Lengthen. And fold. And sweep the arms all the way up. Press the palms. And then bring the hands all the way back down. And bend your knees. Reach your arms up. Inhale. Good. And then exhale, hands to heart and twist to the right. Hook the elbow to the thigh. Okay. Roll the right shoulder back. Breathe in. Lengthen. And exhale, twist a little bit deeper. Breath in. And out. One more breath here. Still within the stillness, you find that pulse. Good. Breathe in. Lift, chair pose. Good. Find the twist. Other side. Tricep to thigh. Inhale, lengthen. Tailbone to crown of head. Exhale, twist. 2 breaths. Inhale. And exhale. 1 more breath in. And out. Inhale, reach your arms up, look up. And then slowly, 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 you sit into your Navasana. Separate the knees, bum down. Lift the shins. Cheeky core to get things even spicier. Option to straighten the legs, or you can keep them bent like me. Lift the chest. Find a little pistol grip or love gun. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist to the right. Move with the breath. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the left. 2 more each side. Inhale, center. Good. Twist to the right. Center. Left. 1 more. Center. To the right. Center. To the left. Come back up to center. Good. Release the hands behind you. Release the feet a little bit further forward. Lift the hips, reverse tabletop, and press the tailbone into the pelvis. Open the chest. Release the head if that feels okay on the neck. Good. 1 more breath. And then slowly lower the bum. Come all the way down onto your back. We're just going to move through a bridge just to get a little bit more opening in the front body. And then we'll chill it out. Go ahead and plant the hands. Feet hip-width distance apart. Puff the chest. And then draw the belly in to press the lower back down and roll up 1 vertebrae at a time. Good. Bridge can be really nice in the morning if wheel feels inaccessible. I'd press the tailbone up into the pelvis and then move the shins towards your skull to bring the back bend into the upper chest. Good. 2 more breaths. Inhale. And exhale. Breath in. And out. And then slowly roll down 1 vertebrae at a time. And take a breath in. Now we'll go up 1 more time. Slowly roll all the way up. Scoot your shoulder blades underneath you. If you want to interlace your hands, and then press the forearms down. Lift the hips. Open the chest. Steady breath like a metronome. The breath is your anchor. And slowly release. Come all the way down. Good. Bring your knees into your chest. And then just drop your knees over to the left. Good. Press your right shoulder down. And within the stillness, can you feel the waves of the breath? Expansion. Contraction. Move to the other side. And commit to the stillness without fidgeting, without needing to change anything. It's always good to notice if you are a person who is comfortable with stillness. If you're always moving, or maybe you're someone who needs a little bit more movement, right? A little, like if you're a bit slow, or just need a little kick up the bum. Sometimes movement can be really good, but the practice is a mix of the two. Movement and stillness. Different people need different things, and also you need them at different times of the day or just where you're at in life. So notice how it hits you. And come back to center. Good, and then I'll give you two options. So for Shavasana, you can either lay out long, normal, or you can bring the soles of the feet together and the knees open wide, just to get a little bit more hip opening if you'd like that. Good. Draw the shoulder blades together, down the back, open the chest. And just notice how you feel. How does this 20 minutes or so, 25 minutes of movement affect you? Nothing has changed around you. You are the one who has changed, right? So you just notice the power you have within you to create what you need. Take a big breath in and out. If you need more time, take it. Otherwise, bring your hands into your heart and just notice how important this time is. It's not selfish at all to take time away to give back to yourself, because it then feeds into everything else you do. And bring your hands to your forehead. A little bow. Namaste. Have an amazing day.